back to my channel. Today I have come up with a new kind of video. So this is my washing machine, Bosch washing machine, and it is not working properly. The drainage pump of the machine has got stuck. So I will try to fix this and I will show you how are we going to fix this machine. As you can see, the knob of the pump has got stuck, so I will try to fix this by opening the front panel of the machine, and I will show you how to open this. So this is the front bottom panel of the machine. You have to open this. First unplug the cord. You have to close the tap and you have to switch off the electric connection, and after opening this, pull out this drainage pipe and keep a ball below, because there would be water that will come out of this like this. So I'm going to put a vessel and drain out all the water through this pipe. So I have taken a vessel and I will try to pull this knob out. You can see the water is draining out, and now we will start unscrewing the front panel of this machine. Pull out the tray. We have got a couple of screws here and here, so we are going to unscrew them. Now we are going to unscrew these back panel screws so that we are able to open the top cover. There could be some water dripping out of the pipe, so place some towel at the bottom. So after opening the screw from the back, just slide the cover and pull it out. Now we are going to open the front panel, this one. We have to open this hook from inside. Once the panel is open, unplug these cords. Once the panel is out, unplug these wires. Now we have to remove these screws, and then the whole frame will come out. And also we will have to remove the spring here so that the whole frame comes out. have to bend the machine backward so that there are some screws at the bottom and I have to unscrew them. We have another screw here. So you have to pull out the bottom panel. There are these hooks which is holding it, the frame. You have to put some pressure to pull this out, and then you can see one screw here which you have to open. When you pull out this frame, don't pull out completely because there is a wire inside which you need to unplug before removing the frame. Pull this frame out. Now we are going to unscrew this and check what is stuck in the motor. There could be some extra water. Just drain it out. We are going to check if something is stuck inside. As you can see, there is, oh my god, this has come out, something plastic, straw kind of thing was stuck inside this. Now you can see this is turning, oh, something more is coming out. Lot of dirt inside. So I am going to remove the whole so that I can clearly wash it in water. I'm going to use some spray to clean it inside. Unbelievable that so much dirt has come out of the motor. So friends, now you can see the machine is working normally. It is fixed. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and family so that if they also face this kind of issue, they can fix their machine themselves. So see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.